Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas decorations in Avatar World. Get ready to infuse your virtual space with the magic of the holidays. We'll explore all the exciting ways you can find and collect those perfect festive touches, from twinkling lights to cozy fireplaces. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, this guide will help you create a truly enchanting holiday experience for your avatar. Let's dive in and make your Avatar World home sparkle with seasonal joy. Finding your festive treasures in Avatar World is part of the fun. Your first stop should always be the in-game shop, which typically features a fantastic array of Christmas-themed items during the holiday season. Keep an eye out for special events and quests that often reward unique, exclusive decorations you can't find anywhere else. These events are a wonderful way to expand your collection and add a personal touch to your holiday setup. Don't forget to check for limited-time bundles too, offering great value. Once you've gathered your beautiful Christmas decorations, it's time to bring your festive vision to life. Head over to your inventory, where all your newly acquired items will be waiting. From there, you can easily select and place each decoration exactly where you want it in your Avatar World home. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements and layouts. Try moving things around until you achieve that perfect, cozy, celebratory atmosphere. Let your creativity shine and transform your space into a true holiday masterpiece. To make your Avatar World holiday home truly stand out, here are a few pro tips. Don't be afraid to mix and match decorations from various sets. This can create a wonderfully unique and personalized look. Pay attention to lighting effects, as they can dramatically enhance the festive ambience, making your space feel extra magical. Finally, once your home is perfectly decorated, invite your friends over to share in the holiday cheer. Celebrating together makes the experience even more special. Happy decorating, and enjoy your beautiful festive home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.